Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Shotcut tutorial. Now, I know I haven't done these in quite a while, but I figured, you know what, it's 2022. As just about it, we're going to be doing some cropping now. This is mainly on the Facecam side of it, so I have my Facecam here, I have the game here. These are just two random clips, so you're going to want to go into crop source, which is the one I use. The way I do it is I do left and right, so I bring this in to just where the microphone is, and I bring this out until it looks about a square. Then you want to size position it, so it depends on what side you're going to put it on. So if you put it on the right side, then you're going to want to basically set a setting in the sizing position for it to go on the right side if you want to put it on the left. So it'll be down here, so if you put it on the left, you click left. If you put it on the right side, you click right. I put mine's top right. And so then I'm just going to put it up there, and that makes it a lot easier, a lot better. It's this size instead of this size. It's so much better, genuinely. If you want to crop on Facecam, do it like my Facecam, the Facecam I have right now, then that's how you do it. So cropping doesn't actually have keyframes, sadly. If you're going to do a Facecam, you can only keyframe, you can't keyframe the crop or just crop, but you can keyframe it going down. But yeah, that's pretty much it. For the Facecam side of cropping, you can obviously crop top and bottom. You know, honestly, just mess around with it. If this isn't what you want, then just mess around with it, check the sizes and that, change position, all of that. Like, you don't need this bit until you've actually finished this bit. Then you can set it to where you want it to be. I hope this helps. If it does, smash this up, hit the subscribe button as well for more contronic videos. There's so many tutorials. I'm going to try and get back to Saturday tutorials. I've got a few more planned, a few more I'm going to record today. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good year, and peace. As I do left and right, so I bring this in to just where the microphone is, and I bring this out until it looks about a square. Then you want to size position it, so it depends on what side you're going to put it on. So if you put it on the right side, then you're going to want to basically set